Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, what can they teach us about us? What can they tell us not just about the universe, but about ourselves? In Thelema, there's a profound teaching. Every man and every woman is a star. It's a deceptively simple statement, but it holds a profound truth about how we find our place in the cosmos and our connection to something infinite. What does it mean to be a star? In Thelema, the star is a symbol of individuality and universality. Each of us is a unique point of consciousness, a distinct perspective on reality. Just as no two stars in the sky are identical, no two human experiences are the same. But here's where it gets interesting. Just as each of us is unique, we're all part of a greater whole. Just as the stars together form constellations that tell ancient stories, our individual lives contribute to a larger cosmic narrative. To say every man and every woman is a star is to say two things: your uniqueness and your connection to the infinite. So what makes you a star? It's your perspective, your experiences, your will. Each of us navigates the universe in our own way, discovering truth and meaning through the challenges we face and the decisions that we make. Imagine that the universe is an infinite ocean of possibilities. Every idea, every truth, every experience. In Thelema, this is called Nuit. Now imagine a single point of awareness, a unique perspective upon that ocean of possibilities. That is called Hadit, the core of the star. Your life is an exploration of that infinite ocean. Every thought, every decision, every relationship is a way of navigating your corner of the cosmos. But there's more to it. The star isn't just about individuality. It's also about unity. In the same way that the stars light up the night sky together, your journey isn't isolated. It's part of a greater dance, a web of connections that transcends even time and space. This is the mystery of unity within diversity. A similar idea is to be found in the Buddhist tradition and the idea of Indra's net. The great god Indra has a net of glass beads that extends infinitely in every direction. If you look at any particular bead in the net, it has all of the other beads reflected onto its glass surface. Each bead contains the sum total of all the other beads within itself. But each bead reflects all the other beads in a way characteristic of its unique position within the net and its unique size and shape. Applying this metaphor to the thelemic view, we might consider the entire net to be Nuit and each particular bead to be Hadit. Each Hadit has the entirety of Nuit reflected upon its surface, but in a way expressive of its uniqueness. You're like one of these beads. You have the whole of existence within you, just like anyone else. And yet your unique position within the net ensures that your experience is always going to be unique to you. If you're enjoying the ideas in this video, there's a really great chance you're going to enjoy my book, Erotic Liberation. Erotic Liberation is a collection of lectures that I gave spanning the years 2019 to 2023. In Erotic Liberation, you will find a groundbreaking approach to Thelema, spirituality, and personal growth. This transformative series of lectures delves into will, love, and embodiment, revealing how embracing our vulnerabilities and desires can lead to profound self-realization. Uniting mystical philosophy with practical insights, Erotic Liberation invites you on a journey of self-discovery. Unlock the ecstatic potential of every moment. Pick up a copy of Erotic Liberation today. You will find a link to order the book in the description for this video. Let's take a moment to reflect. What makes your experiences unique? What perspective, challenges, and passions shape your unique view of the world? Now think about this. How do your unique qualities contribute to something larger? Maybe it's the relationships you build, the creativity you bring into the world, the insights you share. Leave a comment down below. How does your individuality serve not only yourself, but a greater whole? The star is one of the most profound concepts in Thelema because it reminds us of who we are. Unique, radiant, connected. It shows that our lives are not random. They're part of a larger cosmic design. When you see yourself as a star, you see that your journey is both uniquely personal, but also universal and transcendent. You're not just a single point of light. You're part of an infinite constellation. So remember, the next time you look up at the sky, you're not just looking at stars, you are one. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the star in Thelema. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check out this next video where we dive even deeper into more of the foundational concepts of Thelema. Until then, love is the law, love under will.